How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove your profile picture on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. First thing first, open up your TikTok and then from here head over to your profile section. Now what you're going to do is tap on edit profile and then click on change photo. Now here you have different options popping up. You can either take photo, view photo, or select it from gallery, but there is no active way to remove it. So what you're going to do is tap on take a photo, and once your camera is open, what you're going to do is completely cover up your camera or just point it at a dark background and then simply take the picture and then click on save. So now it will be your new profile picture and it will be a plain black image. But if you don't want this, what you could also do is go to your web browser and simply search for default PFP like so. Now click on the first image that you see right here, and you could just go ahead and long press on it to download the image. Once the file has been downloaded, head over to your TikTok again and then change photo. Now you're going to tap on select from gallery. Now just select this image and then tap on next. And once you've done that, tap on next again and just make sure to keep it on the circle like so. And then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.